Right down in one. Let me let y'all hear that crunch. Wish your boys don't know, man. We back to y'all with another video. Today we doing deep seafood fried egg roll. This right here is all the ingredients. We got some what's this is? Some green onion. We got some lemons, some shrimp, some lump crab meat. We ended up getting these egg rolls from an Asian shop, so some Asian Chinese egg roll wrappers, some snow crabs. What are these, lobster tails? Some lobster tails, sharp cheddar cheese. We got some Dijon mustard, slap your mama, Old Bay, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. So yeah, I'm finna show y'all how we do this seafood, well, deep fried seafood egg roll. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what we do it, right? I got my crab meat. Cracked all the crabs up, shredded it. I got my lobster tail. I put it on a shish kebab stick, so whenever we pan seared, it won't scribble up. And I got my, what is this? The other crab meat. The other crab meat. I forgot what's the name of it. Let me see. The lump crab meat. And I got the lemon, squeeze a lemon over it, and finna season it up. Got my chopped up green onion. So yeah, I'm finna show y'all what's next. All right. This is everything mixed up. This is the crab meat, the green onion, the lump crab meat. Right now, I'm getting this right here pan seared. The lobster tails pan seared. We gonna cook it probably about 5 minutes because it's gonna get wrapped up into the egg rolls and get deep fried anyway. So we got the lobster tails deep frying. And Bay doing us shrimps over there to the side. All right. Now you want to get your egg roll wrappers and make sure that you double it up. Get your egg roll wrappers like so. Get some of your yolk so it can stick. Put it like along the edges. Like so. Uh-oh. Put it along the edges so it can stick. Now you stuff it up. And one of your lobster tails. You get some of your filling. Like so. Just get a little bit more. All right. And that's when you wrap shit stuff. That side, bam, and wrap it up. Put a little bit more. Bam. Egg roll, baby. Now I'm finna get all these egg rolls wrapped up, and I'm finna show y'all what it look like at the end. Around. All right, this right here is what it looks like. I'm finna pop these bad boys in the refrigerator for probably about 30 minutes. These are the shrimp over here. These are the regular ones over here, no shrimp. Like I told y'all, I don't eat shrimp. I don't wanna bite down in one and then end up being some shrimp in there. Then I'm gonna be throwing up and acting all funny. That's all. All right, now we finna drop these bad boys. We gonna do about a couple of them at a time. Oh shit. We had put them in the refrigerator for a minute. So we gonna try not to get too many. Uh-oh. Gonna drop them just like so. Mm-hmm. They said do 4 of them. We're gonna do 4, 3. Last one. Uh-oh. It's cool. 4. Drop them bad boys in that grease. And there we go. Uh-oh. One of them kind of came over. Them right there on the end.
It's cool.
I mean, but it's cool though. It's cool. It's cool. And yo, I'm gonna show y'all what that crunch look like at the end of the video. All right. Right here is the finished product. Yes, sir. Let me bite down in one. Let me let y'all hear that crunch. Mm-hmm. Wow. Mm-hmm. You hear buzzing. Y'all make sure y'all try this right here at home. It's your boy Zo Knows. It's a wrap. I'm gonna smash on these. Wow.